Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve fraction exponent. So let's start with today's video. Suppose we have to given 27 power minus 4 by 3. So how can we solve it? So as we can see, the power is in fraction. So what we can do, we can eliminate the denominator. So how can we eliminate? If our base in terms of the denominator, we can eliminate. So how? So we can write 27 as 3 times 3 times 3. That is 3 power 3. So in place of 27, I'll write 3 power 3 and whose whole power is minus 4 by 3. Now we have a property of exponent that x power m power n is equals to x power mn. So I'm going to apply this property. So 3 power 3 times minus 4 by 3. So we eliminate 3 by 3. So what is left? 3 power minus 4. So if we have a negative power, so we can write the number in reciprocal. So 1 by 3 and the power convert in positive sign, 4. So we can write 1 by 3 times 1 by 3 times 1 by 3 times 1 by 3. That is 1 by 85. That's how you can solve fraction exponents. I hope it's clear. So I have a question for you. You can write the answer in the comment section. So the question is 8 power 2 by 3. So you can write your answer in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find it useful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.